Alright, hello guys. Right now I'm doing a review of the table I bought from Amazon. So essentially, what you see is some modifications that I did with the table. It didn't come with this marble style laminate. I actually did that myself. I bought the laminate from Amazon, and I will post the link to that description and the hardware. It did come with a black little knobby thing, but I ended up purchasing this handle from Amazon, so it matches the same handles that I have on my cabinets in my kitchen, so that things kind of like meld together, you know, the style. So I definitely think that my little upgrades to this already fantastic purchase was well worth it. Oh, my cat. She wants to be in a video. So what I do love about this table is that it was super easy to put together. I did it myself. The directions were really easy to follow. I do love the outlets on the side of the table, in case I have guests that come over that want to sleep on the couch, and they will be able to charge their phones right here. I also love it because having a sectional, there's really no place to put your drinks without messing up the couches or spilling things on it. But I do love this console table. I really can't see anything wrong with it except for the hardware that it came with. Now that was the easy fix again. Of course, the knob, I got that off of Amazon. It was super cheap. My only issue really is these screws that came with it. It doesn't really bring the look together, kind of. I wish they had like white caps that would go over it so you would barely notice the screws. I might end up purchasing those off Amazon. I've seen plenty of options that would be a great use in order to cover up this like weird silver stuff that's going on here. But other than that, I am super happy with this purchase. It's definitely bringing the look together in my home. Again, this laminate, I purchased these little end tables from Amazon as well, so I'm bringing it together. And you're probably wondering why I have the marble finish. It was because this electric fireplace that I purchased from Lowe's, I thought it was beautiful, and it ended up having this marble look to it. So I just wanted to keep the consistency of the look together. But excuse the house, I'm constantly doing upgrades here and there. But as for the table, it's definitely great. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. I do love the storage space. I'm going to be storing, like, you know, my AC remote, little things here and there, and then candles. As the season change, I'm going to be changing up the season, so I ordered some more candles from Amazon, so I'll be storing those under here. And as the seasons change and the holidays change, I'll be doing different theme scents. But all in all, I love it. If you're looking at it, put it in your cart, buy it.